On today's episode of Know Your Rights, we will be covering a video from the YouTube channel, As If It's Your Business. Please take a moment and head over to their YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. This is a brand new auditor, and I wanted to bring to you. I will say this first video is a little shaky, but I spoke to the auditor and he just bought himself a gimbal, so I expect his video quality to jump by leaps and bounds. Also, if you love retro video games as much as I do, please check out my new channel that focuses solely on all things in that space. It is called Retro Gaming Central. Today's video took place on December 9th, 2021 in Stockbridge, Georgia. The auditor was walking through a shopping center parking lot when he saw multiple police cars from the Stockbridge Police Department. As he approached the scene, he pulled out his phone and started recording the situation. The auditor did not engage the officers until multiple officers started talking over one another towards the auditor. Are they trying to hide something, or do they just not like having anyone having any footage of their actions? Now, let's dive right into today's video and break down this footage.
Business to conduct in this facility. I don't know. This piggy huddle is interesting. No more commentary for now, but you know. Presents.
Yep, this is what you get when we have a preview. That's just trying to stay up to speed. How you doing today? Doing all right?
Great. How are you?
Oh, bad.
Fantastic.
You work at AT&T?
Always taking no thank you.
Okay. I was just wondering.
That's almost as bad as the union y'all belong to.
The store getting broken into.
I'm sorry.
You got a hole in the window?
Whoa, we have interaction.
Something here. I mean, I don't
I was just on the way to my business, so
know what your family makes sense.
whoa.
I'm trying to figure out why
We got two mouths running, so I'm not sure which one is talking to me. I mean, you know, just to be honest, you know, I'm kind of a guy that's like always film the police because you never know what can happen.
Hey, look, man. It ain't nothing to it. Somebody broke into the store. Hey, at least he's doing us doing our job. There you go. Hey, make sure you Facebook Live it too, man. The Henry County showed up.
I hear word.
Why are you so angry?
I guess somebody stole a SIM card.
No. There's a big hole in the glass right here.
Oh, there you go. Now we got some citizen journalism
Is that what they call it?
content. Yep.
Hopefully your 3 followers like it.
I was on the way to conduct my business.
Clearly you don't
I
have
just,
anything to do because you're standing
you know,
right
I'm sorry.
I said, clearly you don't have anything to do because you're standing right here.
Well, I do. I have business conduct in this shopping plaza. And this is I don't know, area of interest. As a citizen journalist, it's an area of interest.
Who do you work for?
I'm sorry?
I said, who do you work for?
Well, I don't answer questions.
What you report?
I don't have to.
You don't.
No.
You're also free to leave.
Mm-hmm.
So,
Just watching public servants and, you know, conveyance of their business. I think you're doing a fine job.
appreciate it.
You're welcome.
Tag me in the video. Can you make sure you tag me in the video?
Oh, no, I don't know where it's going to go at this point.
If I get my followers up, they might start paying me.
Yeah.
Viral. I don't know.
You could get a following. You could not. I could maybe get a following. I probably won't.
Pretty sure my hair does not look good right now.
I mean, who knows with the internet these days? But, hey, I'm just recording for my own personal, purposes. That is, however, a fascinating event. Because we were working in those three doors. We were working in those three doors about an hour ago, and we didn't hear anything.
But the actual victim is coming through. Yeah, we don't.
I'm sorry. Did you start with directive?
Just right there in the parking lot. I don't care.
Did you start with directive?
Go ahead and go ahead.
Oh! I know you're not doing prior restraint right there, right?
No, look.
You're not conducting prior restraint, are you? Bad move, Sergeant.
What kind of phone is that? Is that the new
Cheap $200 Motorola.
You just not like nice phones or what?
I mean,
So again,
I can get some good cheap footage out of a $200 phone, 48 megapixel.
Again, I'm asking nicely, out of respect for them.
Oh,
Do you
sure.
sure. I'm asking you.
Okay.
I'm asking you, out of respect for them. Do you mind not doing that? I'm pretty sure they don't want their face. They don't deserve that.
Oh, well,
as a citizen, they don't deserve that.
There's no
As a citizen,
expectation
they
of
do not
privacy in the public.
Enough talking to him.
There you go.
Okay, appreciate it.
You have a good day, sir.
Oh, you too?
Yeah, pretty much. But we got to keep an eye on the other Verizon store. And one on, what's that one on? Is that a Boost Mobile on North End?
Well, YouTube, I hope you liked this video, and please remember and go over and check out As If It's Your Business YouTube channel and show them some love by subscribing to their channel. If you like this video and you want to see more videos like this one, please consider subscribing to my channel. Also, if you have a video you would like me to break down, please submit your video at knowyourrightsnews@gmail.com. The link is in the description below. Until next time, YouTube, you stay safe out there.